seniors, and all my friends. I, Rupika Singh, your school captain. I feel highly honored to stand here before you today as we celebrate India's Independence Day. On 15 August 1947, our country became a free nation. Before this day, our country was ruled by British for many years. We are able to breathe this air because of heavy sacrifices of our freedom fighters. Great heroes like Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, and Bhagat Singh gave up everything for our freedom. Let us take a amount of salute to their courage. But today, as we look at a free and growing India, we must look at our heroes in front of us. Our freedom fighters gave us free nation, but our wonderful teachers are the one building our future itself single day. Dear teachers, you guide us, teach us, and no matter what the situation is, you always teach us how to be a good student and citizen as well. Thank you for shaping the future of our India right here in our classroom. As a student and future of India, freedom comes with responsibilities. Being independent does not just mean enjoying our rights, but it means doing our duty with pure honesty. Let us promise today that we will work hard to make our school and country proud. As your school captain, I believe we can show true love for our country through small actions and efforts every day. Let us carry a flame of unity and kindness in our hearts. Thank you everyone and wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.